Mix97 FM.
It's Panic at the Disco on Mix 97. Good morning. It is Friday. It's July the 12th. Joining us in Studio 97 this morning, we have Dustin Bird. He hails from Sterling. He's our summer spotlight artist. Dustin, welcome to Studio 97.
Thank you, Sean.
Good to see you. How you keeping?
I'm keeping well. How are you doing?
Not bad. What have you been up to? I know you graduated from Algonquin College a few years ago in the Music Industry Arts program.
Yeah, I sure did. Audio engineering, music business, stuff like that. And so that was a really great help in kicking off my music journey.
We first saw Dustin, or heard about Dustin, back in 2013. We had him perform at the Mix97 beach party at the Sandbanks Provincial Park, and we had some other really big artists there too as well. And then Dustin, your career has just sort of taken off from there. You've gone to school, you've been performing, you're a steady musician, actually getting paid.
Yes, which is, I feel very fortunate to be amongst that small group of people.
You're also working with other artists. You're producing and
yes,
helping
that's right.
them with their journey.
Yeah, so I've been producing for the past few years. And recently, for the past year, it's been solely country music. So I've been working with artists, brand new artist named Doc Yates, Jordy Jackson, and there's a new artist actually as well, Cam Von Cragen, who's got a single coming out in a few weeks. And so that's been really, really great, and that takes up a lot of my time.
Well, your parents are Ben and Denise in Sterling. Your brother is Curtis. You were a graduate of Centennial Secondary School.
Yes, I am.
Good. Well, what song are you going to do for Mix Nation this morning?
I'm going to sing a brand new song of mine. It's set to come out near the end of the summer. It's called Unscripted. And this is I love this song. We were searching for a lot of different songs over the past few months for the next single. And this one was pitched to me through my producer, Jeff Dalziel. And it was actually a pop song. Tyler Shaw, Jeff, and Dave Thompson wrote it. And it just immediately, the first time I heard it, so I'd love to play it for you guys.
All right, well, Dustin Bird this morning, here with Mix97 Summer Spotlight Artist, and it's brought to you by Pinnacle Music Studios, downtown Belleville, and Bourbon Street Pizza. Ladies and gentlemen, Dustin Bird.
Thank you. And